The last part of the kidney model is actually an enlargement of these renal corpuscles. So you can see actually just the insides of it. Here you can see the afferent arteriole going in, forming the glomerulus, and then coming back out in the efferent arteriole. You can remember the efferent is a little bit skinnier than the afferent arteriole. Inside the glomerulus, we have these special cells. These act like filters. So these are called podocytes. These, you can see a little hair combs on it, which actually filter urine out from the blood. This entire thing is a renal corpuscle. Remember the ball-shaped structure here? But we have two layers of the renal corpuscle. This parietal layer, it's just called the parietal layer because it's on the outside. And the visceral or inner layer is actually these podocytes. So the podocytes are actually part of the renal corpuscle. Here we have just capsular space. It's just the space where the urine comes out into. There's this empty space. And here you actually see the proximal convoluted tubule, the same as this here. The proximal convoluted tubule. And this green one on the other side next to the arterioles is actually the distal convoluted tubule. We can see here. You can see it comes back around. So this is the distal convoluted tubule. Last thing you need to know here is there's a special structure made up of two types of cells called the juxtaglomerular apparatus. On the exam, they'll point at both and ask you to name the structure here. But if they ask you to name the cells and they point at only one of them, you have to name the specific type of cells. Here, these are called juxtaglomerular cells, same name as like juxtaglomerular apparatus, juxtaglomerular cells. But here are macula densa cells. Those are the two types of cells creating the juxtaglomerular apparatus.